Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Lamborghini LM002. And for those who don't know, that Lambo made a SUV before Urus. This is the one. It was a big SUV, as you can see in this. This particular casting is by Hotwheels Premium, part of their Fast and Furious set. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the LM002 out of its box. Before going into the detail, I would want to say if you haven't seen or you don't have a Hotwheels Premium, these usually have metal base, nicer paint compared to mainline, rubber tires and nicer wheels, and they do usually come with better details too. So now let's deep dive into it. Starting from the front, it has got that classic look, the butch SUV look, and it has got all the details in the front. Obviously it's finished in black. You've got detailed headlamps, you've got a bull bar. I don't know if the bull bar is specific for the Fast and Furious movie or all of them did have that. I don't know about that. But you also got turn indicators and running lamps on the bottom, and looks like a skid plate here too. Then there's this Lambo badge, the big hood with, if I'm not wrong, V12 engine, and some vents there. Also, you do get both the mirrors and windshield wipers. So some great details in the front. Now, let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, again, it has got some really good details. As you can see, these wheels look really nice. Rubber tires looks really good and chunky. You also got the turn indicator. And even if you look at the wheel arches, they're very different, not what you see usually. It's all boxy and angles, like Lambo cars, right? You do get a vent here in the front, both the door handles and hinges for it. If you look at, you can see the interior too. You can have a slight peek there. It's also finished in black. Also on the side, you can see there's the Lamborghini badge and another turn indicator. And you've got this, I don't know what it's called. That's some kind of bar on the rear end on the bed. You usually see that on Jeeps and some trucks too. Now let's move to the back. Again, good details in the back. You've got the spare wheel mounted there. This one is plastic, it's not rubber like other tires. So this is plastic. You also get detailed tail lamp, so nicely painted ones. You got twin exhaust at the bottom. And this is the bars I was talking about. So you do get bench seats, I guess, or it's just a bed. Might be just the bed in the back, which is again finished in black. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap on the C-pillar. And this is how it looks from the top. So you can see it kind of, not completely bubble, but kind of have that raised roof design. And this is how it looks from the bottom. You can read it's new for 2025. So it does look really good. I really like the black paint job. I think that's done because of the, obviously, the Fast and Furious movie. And it comes with great details. And if you are a fan of old school big SUVs or just a fan of Lambo, this one is really good. If I'm not wrong, Matchbox also did one, but obviously that's the main line, not the premium one. This one looks really good. I think I like it. So those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.